Hi everyone, it's Linnea. Welcome to another product close-up video from the Trinity Stamps October 2021 release. I'm showing you the layered pine forest 6x9 stencil set. This is a 3-piece stencil set, but you are also going to get all of the little masking pieces, the negative pieces, so that if you want to do some creative masking you can. But I have created a couple of cards using the stencil set and I found that I liked the look without masking. So there are 3 pieces to this stencil set, but this is going to be able to allow you to create 6 lines of trees. The finished stencil design will measure 3.8 inches tall by 9 inches wide. The stencils are marked in the center. 1 and 6 are together, 2 and 5 are together, and 3 and 4 are together, and that is etched into the stencil plastic in the center. It's hard to see on the video, but in real life when you have the stencils in your hand you'll be able to easily see those etchings. I thought that I would give you a quick demonstration of how easy it is to use the layered pine forest stencils. For this example, I decided to use classic holiday colors, or classic forest colors, I guess you could say, and I have 6 shades of green ink. I'm using my blending buddy and I'm starting with that stencil that is marked layers 1 and 6, and I'm starting with layer 1. If you get confused about which side is 1 and which one is 6, just remember to look at the back of your stencil packaging for a visual reference. The largest pine trees should be in the background and then the smallest should be in the foreground. So layers 1 and 6 here, you can clearly see that the side I'm working on now, those trees are layer 1 because they are much taller than the opposite side. Once I was done using my lightest colored ink on stencil 1, I switched over to stencil 2, and now I'm working on the 3rd layer. And I am going in order of inks from lightest to darkest. So this is my 3rd stencil, layers 3 and 4. I just finished up layering number 3, and now I'm doing the number 4. I have my cardstock cut a little bit smaller than the width of the stencils, but it's pretty easy to line up anyway. And the greatest thing is I don't think you have to line this up perfectly at all because it's a layered pine tree stencil and these trees are kind of offset. It's very easy to just work your way through the 3 stencils with the 6 layers of pine trees and create your full forest background. I went ahead and completed the remainder of my stenciling, just wiping off my stencils in between so that I didn't transfer any ink. And here is the finished product. This layered pine forest stencil set is absolutely amazing to work with. It is super fun, and look at the detail of this stenciled background. It took no time to make it all, and I love the look. Here are a bunch of different examples from the design team showing how you can use the layered pine forest stencil set in traditional pine forest background colors as well as some non-traditional colors. You can go classic with this or you can go cute. Thanks so much for watching this product close-up video. Coming up on screen are 2 more videos from the October 2021 Trinity Stamps release that I thought you might enjoy. Bye!